Hey there, welcome back to my channel. And today we are diving deep into something really powerful: how to use your past to fuel your future. Reflection is a powerful tool. When I look back at my past experiences, both the triumphs and the failures, I realize they've shaped who I am today. Each moment, whether joyful or painful, holds a lesson waiting to be uncovered. Take a moment to think about a challenge you faced. What did it teach you about resilience? Or consider a success, what did it reveal about your strengths? By delving into these memories, I've learned to embrace vulnerability and celebrate growth. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about transformation. The past offers insights that can guide our future decisions. So, let's not shy away from reflection. Instead, let's dive deep, extract those meaningful lessons, and use them as stepping stones toward a brighter tomorrow. Mistakes are often seen as failures, but what if we flipped that narrative? Every setback is a stepping stone to growth. I remember a time when I missed a crucial deadline. At first, I felt defeated, but then I took a step back and analyzed what went wrong. I realized I hadn't managed my time effectively. That mistake taught me the importance of planning and prioritizing tasks. Now, when I face challenges, I embrace them. I ask myself, what can I learn from this? Each misstep is an opportunity to refine my skills and strategies. It's about resilience, bouncing back stronger and wiser. So, the next time you stumble, don't dwell on the fall. Instead, gather those lessons and use them to propel yourself forward. Growth comes from understanding our missteps, not avoiding them. Gratitude is a powerful force, one that often goes unnoticed in the hustle of daily life. When I take a moment to reflect on my past successes, I realize how each achievement, big or small, has shaped the person I am today. Those late nights studying for exams, the countless hours spent honing my skills, and even the failures that felt devastating at the time, each experience has been a stepping stone. I remember the thrill of landing my first job, the pride in completing a challenging project, and the joy of overcoming obstacles. These moments taught me resilience, determination, and the importance of hard work. They remind me that every setback was a setup for a comeback. By appreciating these milestones, I cultivate a mindset of gratitude that fuels my growth. It's not just about celebrating the wins, it's about acknowledging the journey that brought me here. Gratitude transforms my perspective, allowing me to embrace challenges with a sense of purpose and optimism. Each success is a reminder of my potential, and I carry that with me every day. Reflecting on my past successes, I realize they're not just milestones, they're fuel for my future. Each achievement, big or small, has shaped my journey and ignited my ambition. Remember that project I thought was impossible? The late nights, the doubts I pushed through, and the moment I crossed that finish line, I felt unstoppable. That feeling is a powerful motivator. It reminds me that I am capable of more than I think. When I set ambitious goals now, I draw strength from those past victories. They serve as a reminder that perseverance pays off. Every setback is just a setup for a comeback. So, I embrace my history, using it as a springboard to reach new heights. My past isn't just a memory, it's the foundation of my future. Each success fuels my drive, pushing me to dream bigger and achieve more. Challenges are often seen as obstacles, but what if we flipped that perspective? Every challenge we face can be a stepping stone to growth. Think about it, when we encounter difficulties, we are pushed out of our comfort zones. That's where real learning happens. Take a moment to reflect on your own life. Those tough times, whether it was a failed project, a tough relationship, or a personal setback, each one taught you something valuable. They forced you to adapt, to innovate, and to become more resilient. Embracing challenges means embracing change. It's about seeing each hurdle as an opportunity to build strength and character. So, the next time you face a challenge, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this experience to propel myself forward? Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Let those challenges be the fuel that drives you to your next achievement. Fueling your future means embracing resilience, the ability to bounce back from challenges. Life throws curveballs, unexpected job losses, personal setbacks, or health issues. But resilience is like a muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start by cultivating a growth mindset. Instead of seeing failures as dead ends, view them as stepping stones. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift you, and don't shy away from seeking help when needed. Set small, achievable goals to build your confidence. Remember, it's not about how hard you fall, but how quickly you rise. Each setback is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and ultimately thrive. Fuel your future with resilience and watch how it transforms your journey. Perspective is everything. Imagine standing in front of a mountain. To some, it's an obstacle, to others, it's an opportunity for adventure. Shifting your mindset can transform challenges into stepping stones. When I faced setbacks, I realized they were not failures but lessons in disguise. Each setback taught me resilience, pushing me to adapt and grow. Consider this: when you change how you look at things, the things you look at change. Embrace curiosity. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this, or how can I turn this around? This simple shift can ignite creativity and open doors you never knew existed. Life isn't just about what happens to us, it's about how we respond. So, the next time you feel stuck, remember, your perspective is your superpower. Use it wisely and watch your world transform. What if we shifted our perspective? Imagine waking up each day and asking, what if today is the day I change my life? It's a simple question, but it opens up a world of possibilities. Embracing the what-if scenarios allows us to break free from our routines and challenge our fears. What if I pursued that passion project? What if I reached out to that person I admire? Each what if is a doorway to growth, creativity, and connection. It's about seeing obstacles as opportunities. When we embrace uncertainty, we ignite our imagination and discover new paths. So, the next time you find yourself stuck, ask, what if? You might just surprise yourself with the answers. Perspective is everything. Life you deserve. Journaling is more than just putting pen to paper, it's a powerful tool for self-discovery and growth. Start by setting aside just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet spot, grab your favorite notebook, and let your thoughts flow. Don't worry about grammar or structure, just write. Focus on your feelings, your goals, or even what you are grateful for. Try prompts like "What made me smile today?" or "What challenges did I face?" This helps you reflect and gain clarity. Over time, revisit your entries. You'll be amazed at how much you've evolved. And don't forget to experiment with different styles, bullet journaling, art journaling, or even lists. The key is consistency. Make it a habit and watch how it transforms your mindset and boosts your creativity. Journaling is your personal space to explore, express, and empower yourself. Visualization is a powerful tool that can transform your goals into reality. Picture this: you want to ace that presentation. Close your eyes and imagine yourself walking into the room, confident and prepared. Feel the energy of the audience as you speak. Visualize every detail, the way you stand, the expressions on their faces, and the sound of applause at the end. Now, let's break it down into actionable steps. First, create a clear mental image of your goal. What does success look like? Next, practice this visualization daily. Spend just 5 minutes each morning picturing your success vividly. The more real it feels, the more your brain believes it's possible. Finally, pair your visualization with positive affirmations. Tell yourself, "I am capable. I am ready." This combination not only boosts your confidence, but also primes your mind for action. Remember, visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's a rehearsal for success. So, get out there and visualize your way to achievement. Setting goals is like drawing a map for your journey. First, make your goals specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I'll run 3 times a week." Next, ensure they're measurable. Track your progress, maybe use a journal or an app. Then, make them achievable. Stretch yourself, but don't set yourself up for failure. If you've never run before, start with a walk. Time-bound goals are crucial too. Set a deadline. "I'll run a 5K in 3 months," gives you a clear target. And don't forget to break larger goals into smaller, actionable steps. Celebrate those small wins. They keep you motivated. Lastly, visualize your success. Picture yourself crossing that finish line. It's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey and learning along the way. Embracing your story means recognizing the unique journey that has shaped you. Every twist, every turn, every challenge has contributed to who you are today. Think about it, your experiences are like threads woven into the fabric of your life. They give you depth, resilience, and perspective. When you share your story, you not only empower yourself but also inspire others. Vulnerability can be a strength, it connects us in ways we often overlook. So, don't shy away from your past. Celebrate it. Learn from it. Each chapter, whether filled with triumph or struggle, adds richness to your narrative. Remember, your story is yours alone. No one else can tell it quite like you can. Embrace it fully and watch how it transforms not just your life, but the lives of those around you. As we wrap up this chapter, let's reflect on the journey we've taken together. Life isn't a destination, it's a series of experiences that shape us. Each challenge we face is an opportunity for growth, and every setback is a setup for a comeback. Embrace the uncertainty because that's where the magic happens. Now, I urge you to take action. Whether it's pursuing a passion, connecting with someone new, or simply stepping out of your comfort zone, make that move today. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. So, let's keep pushing forward, supporting one another, and celebrating our victories. The journey continues, and it's up to us to make it extraordinary. What will you do next? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal growth and success. Also, let me know in the comments, how has your past shaped the person you are today? What lessons are you using to fuel your future? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.